Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class already discussed about exercise 4.5, okay, and some other related problems. 14th question number 14. For the matrix A 3 2 1 1, find the numbers A and B such that A square small a into capital A plus B into I is equals to 0. Okay, so this is the how to find out the A and B. Okay, first you have to calculate A square. A square calculate ಮಾಡಿ. A square is equals to A square is equals to A into A. A into A. So what is A? 3 2 1 1 3 2 1 3 2 1. Okay, so multiply. First row, first column. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 2 1s are 2. First row, second column. 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 1. Second row, first column. 1 into 3 3 plus 1 into 1 1. First, second row, second column. 1 into 2 2. 1 into 1 1. So like that, first you have to add. Next, simplify. 9 plus 2 is what? 11. 6 plus 2, 8. 4, 3. Okay, now. So this is A square. Already A square calculated. Okay. Next, we will move to the this one condition. A square plus A into capital A plus capital A B into I is equals to 0. B into I is equals to 0. Okay, so A square, what is A square? 11, 8, okay, 11, 8, 4, 3, plus. So next, small a into capital A, so 3a, 2a, into a multiplied, 3 to 1, 1a into a, okay, 1a, a, plus, okay, next plus, next 6i, so sir, b value I means what? Identity matrix. I is the identity matrix. So 1 0 0 1. So therefore, so multiplied by b means b 0 0 b is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Understood or not? Okay. Solve these things. Solve it. 11 plus 3a plus b. 11 plus 3a plus b. 8 plus 2a. 8 plus 2a. 8 plus 2a plus 0. 8. 4 plus a plus 0. Next 3 plus a plus 3 plus a plus b is equals to what? 0 0 0 0. So this is done. Okay. So you have to simplify by using this one. How to simplify? See, 4 plus a. So equal these two things. This is one matrix, LHS matrix. This is RHS matrix. So equality of two matrices already learned in the matrices chapter. No. So if two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements equal. So therefore 4 plus a is equals to 0. A is equals to what? A is equals to minus 4. A is equals to minus 4. First one is 4. Okay. Next we will move to the second one. See, if we take this one. 3 plus a plus b is equals to 0. 3 plus a plus b is equals to 0. So 3 plus a is what? Minus 4. So minus 4 plus b is equals to 0. 3 minus 4 is what? 3 minus 4 minus 1. So minus 1 also does plus 1. So b is equals to 1. So b is equals to 1. So b is equals to 1. Okay. So b is equals to 1. A is equals to minus 4. Understood? So a is equals to minus 4. B is equals to minus 4. B is equals to 1. Okay. Like that we have to simplify. So this is the question number 14. We will move to the question number 15. See, my dear students, next question. This is very, very important for the main examination. Question number 15. For the matrix A, matrix is given 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. Show that A cubed minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equals to 0, and also find the A inverse also. Okay. See, first you have to calculate A square. A square calculate. Okay. A into A. A into A. A into A na calculate ಮಾಡಿ. So let us consider A value. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 3 into multiplied by same matrix 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 1, 3. Okay. First row, first column. First row, first column. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. First row, second column. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into minus 1, minus. Next. First row, third column. First row, third column. First row, third column. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 1 into 3, 3. Okay, next. First row is over. Second row. Second row, first column. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. First, second row, second column. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 3 into minus 1, plus 3. Okay, next. Second row, last, third column. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Minus 3 into minus 3, minus 9. Okay, minus 3 into 3, minus 9. Next. Third row, first column. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 3 into 2, 6. Okay, na? Next. Third row, second column. 2 into 1, 2. Okay, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Okay, na? Next. Third row, third column. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3. 3 into 3, 9. Like that, 3 3 is a 9. Like that you have to calculate. So here A square na find out. A square is equals to what is answer? A square is equals to, add this 1 plus 1 plus 2, 4. Okay, 1 plus 1 cancel 2. Okay, 2. Next, see, this is A square. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, 4. Next, 1 1 cancel 1, minus 1 cancel 2. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 6, minus 3. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, 1 minus 6 minus 9. Minus 6 minus 9, minus 15. 1 minus 15, minus 14. So 2 minus 1, 1 plus 6, 7. Okay, now 7. So here 2 cancel, 2 minus 2 cancel, minus 3. Okay, next 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 9, 14. Okay, like that you have to calculate the A square. Next, we will move to the A cube. A cube calculate, madam. A cube. Next, you have to calculate A cube. Why? Because A cube is there, no? That's why. A cube, how to calculate the A cube? See, A cube is equals to A square into A. So A square already calculated. See, 4 to 1, minus 3, 8, minus 14, 7, minus 3, 14, multiplied by A means given problem. So 1, 1, 1, minus 1 3. So like that you have to calculate. Okay. Next, so multiply. First row, first column. First row, first column. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 2, 2. Okay. Next. First row, second column. 4 into 1, 4. Okay. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Okay. Next. 4 into first row, last column. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Minus 6, 1 into 3, 3. Okay. So like that you have to calculate. Next, take second row. Second row, first column. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 8 into 1, 8. Minus 14 into 2, minus 20. Okay, next. Second row, second column. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 8 into 2, 16. Minus 14 into minus 1, plus 14. Okay, next. Second row, last column, third column. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 8 into 3, 24. Minus 14 into 3, minus 14 into 3. See, second row in last column. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 8 into minus 3, minus 24. Minus 14 into 3, minus 40. Next, last column. So last row, first column. 7 into 1, 7. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 14 into 28, plus 28. Next. Third row, second column. See. Next. 7 into 1, 6. First, third row, second column. 7 into 1, 7. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. 14 into minus 1, minus 14. Okay. Next. Third row, third column. 7 into 1, 7. Minus 3 into minus 3, plus 9. 14 into 3, 42, plus 40. Okay. Like that you have to simplify. So if we add and subtract all these things, we will get answer. 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 4, 8 minus 1, 7. So 4 minus 6 minus 2, minus 2 plus 3, 1. Okay. Here minus 3, minus 28, minus 31, minus 31 plus 8, minus 31 plus 8, minus 20. Okay. So 14 plus 16, 30. 30 minus 3, 27. Or minus comes here. Minus 3 minus 24 is what? Minus 3 minus 24 minus 27. Minus 27 minus 42. Minus 27 minus 42. Okay. So 69. Next, 7 minus 3, 4. 4 plus 28, 32. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 14. 1 minus 14 is what? Minus 30. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9, 16. Okay. 16 plus 42. 16 plus 42. So 58. Like that you have to calculate. Okay na? So my dear students, a square calculated, a cubed calculated. Okay. Next we will move to the equation. Equation over. Okay. What is the equation given? A square. See. Next we will move to the equation called a cubed minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equals to 0. You have to prove that. Okay. That's why a cubed already calculated. So this is a cube. So already written a cube. Okay. So I will write this one. So a cube calculated. Written. See. Next minus 6a square is there. Now a square already calculated. See. 6a square. 6 into 4. 6 into 4 multiplied by 60. So 6 into 4, 24. 6 2 जा 12, 6 1 जा 6, 6 3 जा -18, 6 8 जा 38, 6 14, 6 into 14 -84, 6 into 7 30, okay, 6 into -3 -80, 6 into 14 84, okay. So like that we have to calculate, so that the 6 a square, okay. See next 5a calculate madam. 5a means a matrix already is there, multiplied by 5, so 5 multiply 5 into 1 5 5 1 5 5 5 into 1 5 1 again 5 into 2 5 into 2 10, 5 3 is -15, 5 2 is 10, 5 into 1 -5, 5 3 is 15 plus 11i. So I means what? Identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 identity matrix already learned, no? So 11 multiply madre 11 0 0, okay, 0 11 0 0 0 11. So like that we have to calculate, okay na. Now add these things, add subtract. 8 minus 24 plus 5 plus 11 is what? 5 plus 11 16 plus 8 16 plus 8 24, 24 minus 24 0, like that. Next 7 plus 5 what? 12 minus 1 0, so 0 is there. Next 1 minus 6 minus 5 plus 5 0. Next minus 23 minus of minus plus 18 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 23 plus 18, okay. So 5 minus 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 5 plus 5. Next 27 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 27, okay. See 27 plus 10 37, so 27 plus 37 plus 11, so 48 minus 48 0. 27 minus 69 minus plus 7 minus 69 plus 84, okay, 84 minus 50, so minus 69 minus 50 is what? Plus 84 80 minus 84 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 84 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 0, so 0. Next calculate, so calculate by using the calculator use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು calculate ಮಾಡಿ, it will be very easy, okay. 32 minus 42 10, 32 plus 10 42 minus 42 0. Next minus 13 here minus 5 minus 18 minus plus 8, so 0. Next 58 plus 15 plus 11 is equals to 26 plus 58 is equals to 84, so minus 84, so 84 minus 84 0, so is equals to 0, this is 0 matrix. Understood? Like that we have to calculate the answer, okay. So very important for the main examination, okay. A cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i. So it's somewhat difficult. If you use the calculator means it will be very easy, okay. So I will give one technique for you. One technique you will get. ಏನು technique ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, if you add these two things you will get wrong means, so if you are doing, okay, wrong ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, 1 or 2 ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ, ಓಕೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡನ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅನದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದಲ್ವಾ, 1/det into adjoint, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಓಕೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಮೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ಬಟ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 18 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 18 -18 -17 ಬಂದಿದೆ. 16 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 16 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು -30 -16 -5 + 0 ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಅವಾಗ 0 ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. 0 ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರೇ 0 ಬರೀಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ 0 ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಡೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 0 ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಅದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೇಯ್ನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಬರ್ದಿರೋ ಬೇರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಬೋದು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲನ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೇಳಿ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ 2 to 3 minutes ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ A² ನೋಡಿ, A² ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು ದಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 100% ರೈಟ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದು ಸುಳ್ಳು. ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ A² ಬಂದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಕ್ಕೆ, A³ ಬಂದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು A² ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ A³ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, A³ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸೊ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ comment in this below video. Thank you.